Welcome back. I'm Ariana with Arid Group, where we design, build, and furnish luxury home here in Pacific Northwest and in other states. Today, we're looking ahead straight into the biggest home trends that will define 2026. These aren't just passing fads, these are shifts that we will now live and furnish and how we make our spaces feel. I'll walk you through the 7 major trends, plus a wildcard when we will give you practical tips on how to apply them in your home. Think of this as your insider guide to what's next in design. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and strap into the future of home design. So cool grays and bright whites have long had their run. But in 2026, what's coming back is warmth. Colors like terracotta, caramel, that olive green, and what I like to call that clay warm. We will see them everywhere. They create interiors that feel grounded and inviting. Even Sherwin-Williams named Universal Hockey as their 2026 color of the year. It's the versatile, warm enough to feel cozy, yet neutral enough to play well with other bold accents. Why does this work? Because people are craving homes that wrap in comfort. Think about how much time we spend at home, especially for the last few years. The sterile grays just don't cut for us anymore. How to use it. Anchor your walls, upholstery, or cabinets with those warm tones. Then layer accents like terracotta, deep blues, even the mudded pink. The beauty is the warm neutral that will never feel cold. They will create effortless backgrounds that will make everything else in the room pop. Straight lines are softening. In 2026, we're seeing the organic, sculptured forms everywhere. Curved sofas, rounded backs on dining chairs, arched kitchen islands, even circular rugs are softening our spaces. Designers are also leaning into what we call the fat furniture. Think about that plush, oversized piece of furniture that you can just sink in and it feels just right. The reason is curves are human. They feel natural, approachable, and less rigid than the boxy shapes that we've been seeing for years. Here's some tips for you. If you do not want to replace everything, try one sculptural piece. Maybe it's going to be a curved lounge chair or even a coffee table with soft edges, and see how you feel in that space. 2026 is a year of texture. Perfectly smooth wall and glossy surfaces had their time, but now we want something that has depth and character. We're seeing plastered finishes, hand-carved wood, even wall coverings, and the micro reliefs in panels that almost feel like it's fabric carved into the wood. It's an art meeting function. Here's some pro tips. If you are designing a room, keep the palette tone. Maybe it's going to be all warm whites, but vary in finishes. Add a plaster, matte plaster, woven linen, and tie it all up with the raw oak. You will get a richness without feeling the clutter. Textures don't just add visible interest, it creates that serene experience. A home should make you want to be there, to recharge, and almost like touch that surface. It's not just to be there. Technology isn't going anywhere, but in 2026, it's becoming invisible. We're talking about appliances that vanish into the cabinets or a wall, smart lighting that adjusts your day, and control system that you will never notice. Refrigerations or a hidden cabinet that looks exactly like your cabinet. You will open and surprise, here's a refrigerator or a storage. Lighting that automatically warms up at night and cools down in the morning. Adjust the brightness on how you're using the space. This tech supports your life, but it doesn't dominate your home. Here's some tips. When remodeling, choose a panel-ready appliance or a module lighting. You can upgrade these in phases, but start with the elements that will be intentional and seamlessly. Our lives are more fluid than ever, and homes are catching up. In 2026, one of the biggest shifts is towards multifunctional rooms. A dining room that doubles as a study, a guest bedroom that converts into an office, living areas with sliding panel that expand, and the control that you have for multi-use areas. The concept here is volume over footprint. It's not about adding square footage. It's about making your existing space more versatile. For example, I designed a home office on Mercer Island where the entire desk wall would fold in and a Murphy bed will fold out for guests. So during the week, it's a workspace, and on those special weekends when you have company out of town, it's a comfortable guest suite. Here's some tips for you. Look for modular furniture, rechangeable walls, and plug-and-play power setup so your room can evolve with your needs. Nature isn't just decoration anymore. It's being integrated into the way we build. Biophilic design, basically designing with human connection to nature in mind, is shifting from trend to something that is going to stay. Think about like a living wall or that indoor garden or wide glass doors that dissolve the line between indoor and outdoor. Exposure to greenery lowers your stress level, improves quality of air, and changes the energy in your space. If you can't knock out walls to put that big window in, here's a simple start. Group some plants together in a cluster, use some natural wood, maybe stone, and bring that woven organic texture. Every little bit of nature will add up. Luxury in 2026 looks different. It's not about over the top. People are investing in one-of-a-kind pieces of art, reclaimed wood, custom furniture, even made by local manufacturers, materials with history. This is where I see the future of luxury. Something that tells a story, lasts for decades, and feels personal. Practical advices: instead of filling your home with mass-produced decor, choose that one-of-a-kind piece from maybe even a local craftsperson. You'll not only elevate your space, but it will support our community and reduce the environmental impact. One of fascinating trend to watch is digital art in architecture. So imagine walls that change throughout the day. Calming waves in the morning, bold architecture for the party in the evening. The LED panels with digital canvases are turning whole walls into living art. It still is emerging, but I'm pretty sure in a few years it will be as common as a TV. Here's the key. Don't try to do all of these 7 trends we talked about at once. Pick 2 or 3 that resonate with you. Maybe you love the neutrals and curves, or maybe you're down for that biophilic and sustainability. Think longevity. Ask yourself, will this age gracefully? If not, use it as an accent, not a structural change. Blend old and new. If you're ready to have a traditional architecture, you can add modern curves and natural textures without losing the character of your home. Document your choices, especially if you're working with a design team. The drawings and renderings, the mood boards can really help you. The point is, it's not about chasing the trends, it's using them as a tool to create a home that feels curated, intentional, and uniquely yours. So here you have it, the 7 biggest home trends for 2026. They're warm neutrals, curves, textures, invisible technology, flex space, biophilic design, sustainable luxury, plus the wild card of digital art walls. The future of design isn't just about how your home looks, it's about how it feels, how it functions, and how it evolves with us. If you love this video, hit subscribe. You don't want to miss the upcoming divisions that we have for kitchen, bedroom, living room. I'll show you how these will shape in 2026 and how you can transform it room by room. And if you're planning a remodel or a new build here in Washington or Oregon or maybe Arizona, contact us at Earthy Group. We would love to help to bring your home into the future of design. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next episode.